everyone. I'm just on a wee walking tour from the Golden Aqua Hotel to the beach in Salou, and let's see what we can find. It is about to rain, and I think it's going to be quite bad, so I'm rushing a wee bit quick. So this is quite a wee steep hill to go down. Where I started off, just to the right, is Chaplin's, which is really good for entertainment. Highly recommend it. It's like a minute from the hotel front door. Aye. Aye. How you doing? Is that Salou? Aye. How you doing? Alright.
What's the channel's name?
Jet Set Dan.
Jet Set Dan.
Aye. Aye. I've only just started, so I've not got a big following or anything like that.
You've got to start somewhere.
Is that like a GoPro?
It's a DJI Osmo.
That's cool.
Aye. It's really, see, watch
I want
that.
to do that.
Aye, that's
Oh my
cool,
god,
that's
that looks
cool.
ace. How much was it?
About 350 just for that.
Was it?
Is it your first time in Salou?
Yes.
Is it?
Aye.
Enjoying it?
Aye, I'm alright, aye.
It's good, is it? It's good.
Aye, it's a good wee thing.
It's good. Wish the weather was a bit better, but
Oh, aye, definitely.
it's hot today.
I know. He's been to Portaventura yet?
No, well, we came 2 years ago. We went there then, but we're going in 2 days. What about you?
We're here to
See what it's like.
Saturday, but I've done Portaventura.
Aye.
He's wanting to go on.
Yeah.
How
Oh.
you going?
So, what's your names?
Finlay.
Finlay.
And my
Millie.
name's Millie and I'm from Aberdeen.
From Scotland.
Oh, wait a minute, hang on. I think it's Finlay and
And Millie.
Millie
From
Scotland.
from Scotland.
From Aberdeen!
Aberdeen. Oh, cool. I'm from Greenock.
Are
Read
you?
it.
Aye.
Aye.
Aye, so.
Oh, that's exciting. No, have you tried the Roadhouse?
No, where's that?
That's supposed to be really nice. We're going
Aye,
for our
that looks nice.
Oh,
birthdays.
just watch that.
And it's
Oh.
supposed to be really nice.
Oh, I'll need to look that one up.
Yeah.
Aye.
Aye. We thought about doing the House of Illusions, but...
That's where we're
We're
away
going
to
there
now.
right now.
Is that alright? Oh, cool.
Aye, we went there 2 years ago. It was amazing. It's really good.
Aye.
It is good.
Well, we're going back, so
Aye.
it must be good. But,
Oh, definitely.
Aye.
Well, we were staying at the... See, because I did different hotels. We were staying at the Wild West Hotel
Oh yeah.
at the Aqua Park. That was really good.
Aye.
But see, what's a nice hotel? See on my channel. See if you type in Gestad, Jet Set Dan, Gestad, GSTAAD. It's the most expensive place in the world.
Is it worth it?
No. It was nice, but don't get me wrong, the hotel I stayed in wasn't the most expensive, but the area is, it's where all the world elite go.
Where was it?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Aye. It's what do you call it? See, like, see Gestad, it's like where all the world elite, like the politicians, princes and all that.
Really?
Aye.
They all go there? They
DiCaprio.
stay?
Aye. See in the winter, they all go there. Not all, but you know, a lot of important ones go there. And there's a hotel called the Gestad Palace. It's 5-star. It's ridiculous.
Really?
Aye. We went for it for something to eat, right? It was about 80 pages before you could find something that you ordinarily would be able to afford, you know? It was like, see in some places it was like, in Switzerland anyway, it's about £12 for a vodka, and that's without any mixer.
That's mental.
So we stayed at Le Grand Chalet in Gestad, which cost £480 a night, and we were there for 10 days, and wow, it's wonderful, aye. That was brilliant, definitely.
That's
Aye. But see, we went to get something to eat at a restaurant, and what do you call it? Ordered a beer and a vodka, and there's this young guy, and he's trying. The vodka's not a big thing in Switzerland, so he's trying to do the vodkas. I'll cross over that way. He's trying to do the vodkas, and he's holding 2 bottles, and he's looking at this other one, and he's like, totally puzzled. And the maitre d's like, no, we don't want to be charging a guest 100 francs for a bottle of vodka. That's 100 quid.
Oh no.
Roughly, aye. I was like, oh wow.
That's expensive.
Aye, it's another planet.
Oh well, we're going this way anyway.
Aye,
I'll say goodbye to your video.
Oh, say goodbye,
I'll
guys.
look up your channel 100%. I'll say a look.
Bye, guys.
Well, yeah, look
Bye bye.
at.
And I've only got a small channel, right? So
Give
when
him a
you-
follow, give
Aye.
it, subscribe.
Subscribe, click the notification and select all. Right, remember that, right?
Exactly.
Aye, and
We'll give you a
maybe comment,
follow.
okay.
Bye.
And if you ever want to start it, you've helped me out because this has made this more interesting than what it would have been if it was myself.
Aye,
So if you ever want to do this, send me a message and I'll give you wee
Yeah.
pointers.
perfect,
Definitely.
man.
Jet
Thank
set
you.
done.
Jet Set Dan,
Jet
Set
JETSETDAN. See, you type in Jet Set Dan Benidorm. Most of my videos on Benidorm. Aye, and type in Asia Gardens. That's another good one. It's just
Okay.
it's in Finisterre, just outside Benidorm. It's like a Thai themed hotel.
Is
And
it nice?
you'll actually see it's fucking beautiful.
Beautiful.
I've got about 3 videos
Is
of
that
it.
what you do?
Oh
You
yeah,
just
is
go
that
around?
you?
Aye, that's me.
Oh,
That's
well,
right there.
best of luck
Well,
to you.
it's nice
definitely,
to
thanks.
meet
Nice
you.
meeting you,
Alright,
right?
okay,
Take
enjoy
care.
the rest of your trip.
Will do. Thanks very
later,
much. Take care.
Rob. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ah, that was a nice couple. If you're watching, thanks for that. It's brightened up my day. It's given me something interesting for my channel. You need to keep people watching, so having somebody that I don't know come in and talk to me like that, it's very much appreciated, guys. Thank you very much. And if you ever want to start your YouTube channel, honestly, it's a great thing to do. I really enjoy it. It's a good hobby. I'm hoping that it evolves into a business, but at the moment it's just a wee hobby. Well folks, that was quite an interesting wee walk for me. Usually I'm just doing it myself, but it was nice to have somebody walk that length with me and have a wee conversation. So thanks very much, guys. I'm just going to go and get a few things at the shop and head back to the hotel. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to the channel, I do a different hotel video every week, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, click the notification button, it really helps me out. Thanks folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.